When I was living in Dublin, I discovered a wonderful drink that was new to me, the Irish hot whiskey. It was such a comfort after walking outside in the cold rain to come into a nice cozy pub and enjoy a hot whiskey. You can easily make this drink at home and enjoy the same cozy feeling. Guillermo and I have come up with our own twist on the drink that makes it even more delicious. We discovered the twist by chance. Pour 2 cups of water into a pot and add 3 cinnamon sticks. Boil the water for at least 10 minutes, long enough for the cinnamon sticks to be infused into the water. Guillermo's a very sweet guy, and when I'm sick, he makes me a tea of hot water infused with cinnamon sticks. We had the brilliant idea of using this tea instead of hot water to make an Irish whiskey. While the tea is boiling, cut 2 slices of lemon that are about 1 centimeter thick. Slice them both in half and insert 3 cloves on both sides. Add the lemon to your glass first to avoid any splashing of that precious Irish whiskey. Measure out 50 milliliters of Irish whiskey. Add a teaspoon of honey. Be sure to put a spoon in the glass before adding the hot liquid. The metal absorbs the heat and prevents the glass from breaking. Pour in the hot cinnamon tea. Stir and enjoy. The result was so delicious that we wanted to share it with you. We're ready to taste our Irish whiskeys. I made one for Guillermo because he's so sweet. Cheers!
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 Delicious.
Yeah, it's very good.